Hello, welcome to an hour of Java code. This is Alex Vlachakis, and I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Hello World program for your hour of code that you can use during your classroom. I'm in the Vocarium Labs website right now, and I'm going to click on Details. After I click on Details, I'm then going to go to Hello World, which is the second assignment that's available to you for your hour of code that you can do in your classroom. I'm then going to click on the orange button right below where it says Just a Little Owl and hit Launch. After I hit Launch, on the left-hand side you're going to see the owl that you can change. You're also going to see an area called Files, and you're going to see an area that says Console. If you need to go back to the area with the instructions, just simply click on Editor. After you click Files, and here are your instructions. So in the instructions, we mention what it is that you're going to be doing, and I also give you an explanation of what the actual commands are that are used during this program. One of them is the println. It's important that your students understand that whatever you put in between the quotes for println, which is right here, is what's going to show up when they actually build the program. So if I were to change the owl's ears to little stars, and then I'll change it to the other one, and then maybe give the owl a nose that looks more like a little beak. Now the owl's face is actually going to change to the changes that I made. I can also over here where it says I'm an owl staying up all night, I can go ahead and put my name like the tutorial tells you to do. And then I can hit Run. And it will then display my new version of the owl. And there he is. Now the owl has a beak and he has two different little ears. What we've done for you here on the right hand side is to provide you with instructions on how to do this step by step. And it also gives you a website called ASCIIworld.com where your students can go in and actually look up pictures that they can actually draw. So instead of drawing the owl, they might want to pick some angels or animals or something different like a cartoon. So there's all sorts of very complicated things. I think you should mention to them that there are certain characters that will not pick up, but that they can have fun looking at some of these, and if something isn't showing up, it's probably because the Java coding uses that particular character for a specific thing it needs to do, and so therefore it will not allow them to actually build that particular little program. But you see there's little pigs and there's little ducks and little birds and all sorts of cute things that they can do. And they can actually grab the pieces line by line and copy them and then go ahead and bring them into the program. And they can have a lot of fun. My students have been asking if maybe they can see some of their work after they've actually created the ASCII characters. So if you'd like, you can send them to us to our class website, and by doing that we will be glad to post them on our blog, and then you can tell your students to visit there and see how their work has been displayed. They wanted to pick the best ones and actually display them. So tell them to have fun, and we hope that they enjoy the class and that they create some pretty fantastic ASCII work. Thank you for listening.